How to amend a tax return on Credit Karma Tax. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. On this web page, click on the login option. Then you want to enter your email ID. After that, enter your password. Once both the details have been entered, click on the login option. Once you are logged into your account, you want to locate and select the tax return you want to amend. This should be the return you filed previously using Credit Karma Tax. You want to look for the option or the link within your tax return to make amends or make changes. Once you click on that option, follow the prompts to make the necessary changes to your tax return. This may involve updating information, adding or removing forms, or adjusting numbers. Once you have made all the necessary amendments, carefully review your changes to ensure accuracy and completeness. After reviewing your changes, you simply want to follow the instructions to submit your amended return through Credit Karma Tax. You may need to electronically sign the amended return. After submitting your amended return, Credit Karma Tax will process it. Be aware that it may take some time for the amended return to be processed by the IRS. Keep an eye on your Credit Karma Tax account or the IRS website to monitor the status of your amended return. You may receive notifications or updates regarding the processing of your amendment. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can simply contact the customer support of Credit Karma Tax. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.